Okay, here we're going to remove the head cable. If you've gotten to this video, you already know how to take the covers off, so we're just going to skip that part. First thing we're going to do, we're going to disconnect some of the connectors. So we're going to remove the connectors to the plunger motor, remove the connectors to the MS motor, and disconnect the heater. Then we'll disconnect the connections to this display board. Next, we're going to have to cut some tie straps. Cut the tie strap from here. Obviously be very careful not to cut any wires. And this big one here. Then we're going to completely loosen this tie cable as far as you can loosen it without completely undoing it. Then we need to take this bar out. So I'm going to unscrew this bar. Now we will remove the rest of these connectors, like here. And then remove these. We need to loosen this Phillips screw right here. Just loosen it, don't take it all the way off, so we can slip that light bulb out. We also want to cut this one. And we lift all these up out of the way. Slide this over and out. Then we're going to take our new head cable, which will already have all of our terminations done. Slip it on over. First that one. And everything is going to go inside this bar here. So make sure everything is inside. So the first thing we'll do, we will tighten this back up. Next thing, let's make sure he is inside here and slide him back in there. Tighten him back up. He doesn't move. And then make sure everything is pushed back in here. And I'm going to reattach this retaining bar here. And we will reattach these to the case. Connects there. This connects there. And this will slide back here and reconnect like that. This one connects there. Just connects there. And this one is going to slide back down behind that. Then we reconnect MS motor, yellow to the negative, purple to the positive. Reconnect our heater correctly. Attach your connectors back up. And then lastly, we're going to put the tie straps back on. So we're going to slip one through here. You need one large tie strap and then several smaller tie straps. This is the large one. And then the smaller tie straps. One will go here. One will go here. And we'll go through here. Here. This one's a little difficult to reach sometimes. And lastly, just for good measure, I'm going to put one out here. And that's it.